HDTV MATE needs to run on devices with Android System 9.0 or above, for example Android TV Box, Android TV Set, Android Phone or Android Tablet. Insert the HDTV MATE into the USB port on the Android TV box directly, or via the USB 3.0 extension cable. Connect the antenna to receive AS 1.0 3.0 signal. Download the HDTV Player app from the Google Play Store. Open the HDTV Player app. The HDTV MATE's power indicator light is on. Then the app recognizes a device and asks to run a channel full scan. After the channel scan is complete, all channels are listed as shown here.